deliver consistent high purity finalising food.
John, it's great to have you back on InvestorStream following YPB's reinstatement to trading with its successful $2 million capital raise and previous reports of its entry into the US lottery ticket market, as well as the licensing agreement with NVISO's AI technology. So plenty to get through here. Firstly, let's touch on your entry into the US lottery ticket market, something that you've described as the most significant commercial event in the post-COVID era, and your first key deployment of the tracer technology into a Western market. Can you briefly describe the opportunity here and the potential scale that you might be able to achieve?
Yeah, thank you, Alex. Thanks for having us. Look, the market size for this industry in the US is estimated to be worth $65 billion, and it's about the same for Europe. But also China has a huge instant lottery industry with a lottery called the Lucky Seven. This is ripe for fraudsters, and the solution we've developed is perfectly suited to our proven tracer scanner technology. Remember that we've marked over 1 billion items for authentication in China, and now we believe this will be the best path to potentially lucrative markets in the US and elsewhere. And it doesn't stop at lotteries. The way we've developed the scanner into an OEM unit, we can authenticate anything going into a vending machine. For example, event tickets, which are heavily counterfeited. The opportunities of this are boundless.
Thanks, John. Now, a follow-up release stated that you have shipped the first OEM scanner to the US, and that will be installed in-machine to test and authenticate winning lottery tickets. Presumably, these are at a point of sale somewhere. What is required to get your OEM scanners installed at multiple locations? And is there a large CapEx requirement here?
Well, first of all, there's not a large CapEx requirement, but it works like this. There are point of sale readers installed all throughout the first target state, and our aim is to go into 100 readers initially. We regard this somewhat of a pilot, as we believe that we can expand to more states, as nothing like our solution exists in the US. And the typical way of reading a pull tab or an instant lottery ticket is with a machine at point of sale. So really, it's an enormous opportunity. It's very hard to quantify at this stage, but we think that it is a really, really big opportunity for us.
John, can you just provide us a little bit more detail on how you will scale up in the US? Is it regulated state by state, or is there a handful of companies that you'll look to partner with?
Yeah, so look, it's regulated on a state-by-state basis, and there's quite a lot of statistics on this that are easily available. You know, instant lotteries are really popular in the States, and every state has one. And it's like the Powerball and the instant scratchy lotteries we have here in Australia. We're really focused on this first deal to prove the success of this. And there are several paths to market, such as the security printers, for example, that print the tickets, the vending machine manufacturers and the licensed operators state by state. And we plan to partner to get this rolled out as broadly as possible, as quickly as possible. We won't be doing it ourselves. This is a partnership opportunity.
And turning now to your licensing agreement with NVISO, where you will license their AI authentication solution to determine the authenticity of videos and media. Now, this is clearly an area that complements your current offering. Can you just explain to us in layman's terms, firstly, what a deepfake video is and the scope of the opportunity, but also the types of customers that you're likely to target with this technology? And I guess furthermore, how do you see AI fitting into your broader growth strategy and its take-up, if any, by existing customers?
So authentication is YPB's lifeblood, and the rapid emergence of artificial intelligence solutions like ChatGPT is simply astounding. A deepfake video is created using artificial intelligence, and typically celebrities have already been faked. The ones that are well known are Tom Cruise, Barack Obama, for example. But here's what's happening. You can now use ChatGPT-4 to not only write essays, computer programs, and the usual things, but you can also create videos. And in the very, very near future, it means that any image on social media is up for grabs and anyone can be faked. And this is going to open up a new realm of phishing and scams on mobile phones and emails, et cetera, et cetera. It's a huge opportunity, we believe. And why this is really cool for us is that this will be our first digitally based solution available through apps and SDKs with a global reach and a global opportunity. I believe that artificial intelligence will change all our lives, and the opportunity to license a proven technology from NVISO is the best way we see to offer authentication into this huge and rapidly emerging market. Using AI in YPB at the core of our existing tech, such as Motive Micro, for quite some time. And we see many opportunities in this tech in our broader solution suite. And we really believe that we have a first mover advantage in our industry. And we're small enough and nimble enough. And with the NVISO license, we believe that we can rapidly get into this huge opportunity.
Just one final question, just a quick heads up on potential near-term milestones or developments that you can share with us today.
Look, the milestones for the lottery should be relatively fast to see, as we've spent quite a lot of time understanding and developing the solution through COVID. The deepfake initiative now becomes our development priority, and we'll move as quickly as possible to activate this opportunity. We are really happy to be able to work with NVISO as well, which has been a leader in artificial intelligence for more than a decade. So my message is watch this space.
Thanks, John. Appreciate the update and congratulations on all these developments. All the best.
Thank you, Alex.